lousy parachutes.
Welcome to the Lone Wolfer Garage Motor Vlog. As always, I am your host, Lone Wolfer, and I am on my girl, Bonnie, Bella, Dinah, and we are cruising in Chester, Connecticut right now. We are on Wig Hill Road. It is nice and twisty. Some good elevation gains right here. Not a whole lot, probably 500 feet, maybe 800 feet, but it's fun and it's something to do on an afternoon or early evening. It's early evening now because the she-wolfer actually got home from work early, and I wanted to take the Dinah out because I actually needed to listen to her. I was watching some video from Sunday, and I heard a strange noise, and I didn't quite like it. In the video, I couldn't hear it while I was out riding because I had the music blasting and it was drowned out. I do believe that I found it quite quickly. As I started the bike in the garage, I heard the exhaust giving a little rattle, and I believe that was a noise that I heard on the video. However, I do feel as though I'm hearing a noise coming from my primary. It's not much, it's faint, it's garbled. As some of you know, I changed out my compensator for a Dark Horse Crankworks Man-O-War motor sprocket, and it has been absolutely awesome. But they do need to be rebuilt. They're actually designed to be rebuilt, unlike the Harley OEM compensator. And I think it might be time for me to invest in the tool. And there are these little, like, rubberized cylinders that go in there, and I might have to do that. Not entirely certain that's what it is. I'm gonna actually give them a call and see what the signs are that I should be looking for. So I'm gonna take care of that this coming Wednesday or so, the call, and ask them about that and maybe order the part. I do also think that this bike needs a front motor mount. You know, it's 2012 and there's been significant oil changes and now significant miles, because we're at, oh, went right past it, 46,071 miles, which again would track for a front motor mount needing to be replaced. So none of this is detrimental, I believe, and none of it is out of the blue. Motor mounts need to be replaced. You know, the Dark Horse Man-O-War motor sprocket needs to be rebuilt. That's what it's designed for. If I still had the compensator in there, compensators need to be replaced. They are a wear item. It definitely isn't making the noise that the compensator was making. That thing sounded like somebody had thrown a bunch of marbles inside my primary. But yeah, anywho, I hope that's all that it is. I'm pretty confident actually it's either one of those things or the kind of culmination of the two of those things. Because I do believe that a worn front rubber mount can actually cause a little bit of the metal to wear against each other and rattle. But we will see. We will do some investigating, and we will be figuring it out. So yeah, that's what's going to be happening in the Lone Wolfer Garage probably this weekend if I end up ordering the part or parts. And that's what I've got going on. So yeah, rock on.